Welcome to our ongoing weekly clip series, Wolff Bites.
Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple.
Oh. There are a dozen reasons why this lease purchase program works so well. Here are the 12 lease purchase program paydays. Number 1, non-refundable option deposit equals a big instant profit. It's common to get at least 5% and often closer to 10% of the purchase price from your tenant buyer up front. This is spendable cash to you and converts to their down payment when they qualify. Number 2, you get 5 to 10% higher purchase price due to financing. That's a sweet markup, and when you accept buyers with bad credit or other qualifying issues, they rarely question that markup in the price. Number 3, you arrange with the seller to make 1 to 3 more monthly mortgage payments. Number 4, there's positive monthly cash flow from the rent. I always want you guys to aim for it $300 to $500 plus per month per home. Number 5, the tenant buyers pay for the repairs, upkeep, and improvements. Now this is a huge key to why the lease purchase program works and why you are not stuck being a landlord. This is very key and it's in all the paperwork. Number 6, mortgage balance reduction. This is a massive income source over time, often $10,000 plus per deal, sometimes 50, 60. We just did a deal where we got $72,000 just in principal reduction on the mortgage. Number 7, depreciation. You can write off your profits for a yearly tax savings. Number 8, appreciation, property values going up. Number 9, mortgage interest tax deduction, another tax write-off. Number 10, if the tenant buyer moves out, you get another non-refundable option deposit from the next tenant buyer. It's like you got a brand new house. Number 11, you get back escrow account funds when you cash out. That's sort of next level stuff, but we can help you figure out how to do that. Number 12, you discount seller financing at the cash out closing. So when your lease purchase buyer gets their new financing, you discount if you have financing with the seller. We call that the deal after the deal, and that equals even more profit. So those are the unbelievably awesome, dynamic dozen 12 lease purchase paydays.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of new great videos. Now you may think you need some training to understand some of these paydays, and you'd be right.